guys, welcome again to my YouTube channel. Please, if you're just visiting for the first time, kindly like, share, comment, turn on your notification, just subscribe, please. So today I'm just going to be talking about the importance of being yourself. The importance of not trying to be someone else, but yourself. So quick one. I remember when I was growing up, when I was much younger, I used to say, I want to be like this person. I want to, you know how we all have that thing, But then when I grew older, I realized that every time I did things my own way, it always went better. But the times when I'm trying to think of it, overthink it, or what would this person say? What would this person do? What do you think they would think of me? What do you think they would say? How would people perceive me? How would people see me? It never goes well. It never ends well. What am I trying to say? I'm trying to say the world is trying to change us. It's trying to make us feel like however the next person thinks you should live your life, that's how you should live your life. And that's wrong. That's not how it's supposed to be. First of all, don't forget, we have different upbringings. We come from different backgrounds. Some of us come from just manageable families, just managing ourselves. Some people came from wealthy homes. So whether we like it or not, everybody's behavior will be different. Because first of all, our upbringings are different. People would hate you just because you are good to them. They would hate you just because you are good to them. And they are thinking, why are you the one good to me? Why am I not in the position to be good to you? They will just be angry at you that you are the one being able to help them. The fact that you are helping, you are assisting their life. You are giving them small money to help them. They don't have. But they are angry that you are the one able to give them. Why is it not them? Why can't they not be the one giving you that money? Do you understand? So it means that there's no point changing yourself, just trying to please people. Whatever makes you happy, my dear, do it. Whatever makes you sleep comfortably at night, do it. But if being yourself is making your next partner sick, if being yourself is making your friend upset, then please cut off. Please block. Please end, as in mute. Whatever will give you that happiness, that joy, please don't compromise it. Because the truth is, when you are going through your worst, like when you're dying, when you're in need, nobody cares. I mean, you have one or two, but really, people have issues. People have what they're dealing with. People have their own problems. So I'm not going to put your problems before my problems. Be realistic, though. I will handle my problems first, definitely, before I think of your problem. That's like a fact, right? So if you think you want to be you want to dress a certain way, you want to see whatever rocks your boat. Whatever rocks your boat. And they will always have an opinion. They will always have a negative opinion about you. In fact, the irony of it is when people see you a certain way, it is very hard to change it. In their head, in their space, they already think about you that way. So there's nothing you really do that they will like. So even if you dance or you don't dance or you cry, you laugh or you jump, you sit down, no, there will always be something you do that makes them upset. There will always be something you do that they can't even understand. Even if they see you are winning a Grammy, they don't understand why you won a Grammy. They're like, he doesn't even have voice. Hello, he won a Grammy. He won a freaking Grammy. Hey, God, do you know how hard it is? So you can't even please people. So yeah. See, let me tell you, I'm not kidding. Ask people that are close to me, right? From way back, maybe people like Laura, people that we really, I used to be that girl. Even so, this is my photographer behind this camera. This is my videographer. I used to be that girl that cares about what people oh my gosh. I'm not trying. Then, I'm talking a couple of years back. I'm just, what would they say? What would they think? Do you think I should do it? It's not true. But I'm really, I want to do it. Do you understand? I wanted to, and I'm just like, no, I can't. Before you know, you are so cautious, before you know, you are remaining stagnant. You're not growing. You're not growing because you're just there. You're thinking, you're over-analyzing, you're over-processing it, calculating. When you can just do what you really want to do and just allow the universe take its course. Come on. Like, if you really want to be successful in life, you have to get to a point of zeroing your ears to what anybody says. So none of us in this world is perfect. We're just trying. We're just all trying to be good people and trying to live our lives, right? So if you want to criticize, be quick to judge, or quick to do this, then, I mean, that's your own cup of tea. But me, for myself, I think I'm going to a point where I'm not going to allow whatever anybody says define me. Whatever you say is not my reality. Whatever you say is not my name. Whatever you say is not my future. It's not God's plans for me. Do you understand? So, you can say whatever you are. Okay, that's me being extra, but really, guys, please don't allow anybody try and change who you are. Don't allow anybody try and change who you are. Be yourself. Live your best life. You only live once. YOLO. Okay, always remember that. Please do not forget to like, share, subscribe. I love you all. I'll just be gone now.